How to turn off or on backup video attachments on Android or iOS phone. First, just open Truecaller, and here you will find your profile in the top corner. Click on it, and then wait, and then click the settings icon here, and now scroll down until you find backup. Click on it, and here we'll find it. Now you can turn it on or off, it's easy, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and you can manage anything you want here, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.